Philosophy behind Cassida is the old Roman culture. You know, all the Cassida means metal helmet in Latin. So with all the Roman style in our collection, and that's what it's all about. I've seen a video on YouTube the first time about Mario, and I could not believe it. A guy standing on a Harley Davidson playing the violin. I've never seen this before. It's fantastic, and it's a pleasure to meet this guy. In Croatia, I think he's the number one guy, because first of all, he's cool. He can do something really special that no one else can do, and that's exactly what fits to Cassida. The helmet is made in Germany. It takes around 4 weeks to create such a helmet, and I cannot believe that he will wear the helmet, put on the Cassida shirt, and ride the Harley Davidson and play the violin. This guy is crazy. Mario, this is the helmet that I will give to you to ride on your Harley Davidson playing the violin, and it's a big pleasure for us that you're the testimonial for Croatia for Cassida.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Congratulations.
This is a special gift. Thank you.
Mm.